answer. So we're going to give 2 prizes now. Do we have more? No prizes? Okay, we're going to call Michelle and Linda. Come. Hendren, if you don't bring a prize, she'll take me home. Michelle and me go back 40 years. No, at that time she was 6 years old and I was 8 years old. Her husband and me used to play in a band called the Phantom Revival at the Taj Rendezvous for 10 years. This is the time we go. Okay, where's my queen? My Linda. Linda, oh Linda. Linda, do you love me?